welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a little box of goodies that I have from BPERFECT Cosmetics. So I've got the Dream Big, this is one of the Manifest palettes. This is the newest palette that they've just brought out. So I cannot wait to try this out. Yeah, I got a little headband and a lip gloss as well. This is actually a really nice colour. It's one of the JOSSA ones, and it's that sort of colour. So I think that's really nice. It's like a really nice kind of pinky nude tone. So the palette looks like this, which is absolutely beautiful. It's got this like holographic look to it, which I think is absolutely brilliant. I love that. And then inside we've got 35 colours here, and there are just so many to choose from, and they're all so beautiful, and a nice selection of mattes, shimmers and pressed glitters in there as well. Right, okay, so I've just been literally looking at the clock. I've been staring at this for about 5 minutes trying to figure out what look to do, but I think I've decided. I think I'm actually going to do like a brown and bronze look today, and yeah, just take it from there. I don't really know. I'll decide as I go along. So yeah, let's get stuck in. So first up in my crease, I'm going to go for this one here called Boss Man. Beautifully pigmented, and yeah, that's a really nice brown actually. So the next shade I'm going to go into is, I think I'm going to blend that out into this one here called Goals. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Just going to soften that edge slightly. Right, so then on the outer corner just here, I'm going to go in with this one here, which is the darkest brown, I believe, which is called Wing It. So because these are obviously quite similar shades of brown, I'm just going to pop a little bit of black right in the inner corner just to deepen that up a little bit. So I'm going to be using this one here, which is the shade Inked. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Right, okay, so inner half here, I'm going to go in with, I really want to use this colour here called Manifest, because it looks absolutely stunning. So what I'm going to do is just cut that crease, and yeah, then we'll pop that shade on. Okay, so I have just obviously done that eye as well and just cut the crease. So I'm just going to go over that with the shade Manifest, which is this one here. That shade is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really like that. Yeah, I think underneath I'm just going to take the dark brown and then just kind of darken it up a little bit with the black on this corner here. Yeah, I like that. Right, okay, so inner corner, just make it stop watering first. So inner corners and under my brow bone, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go with this shade here called Driven. That's a really, really nice colour. I really like that. Right, so I'm just going to go and pop some lashes on and finish off my face, and then I'll be back and we'll try out that lip gloss. So we're going to try out the lip gloss next. So the first thing I'm going to do is to line my lips. I'm just going in with this one. This is a Doll Beauty one, and this is Run the World. Okay, and then we'll fill that in with the gloss. So this is Baby Girl by the JOSSA collection. I love that colour. That is really, really nice. I do really like how pigmented these glosses are. I think they're gorgeous. So this is the finished look, and yeah, it's a really nice palette. I've got really bad hay fever today. I'm not gonna lie. I've really struggled to film this video. My eyes are watering like crazy and my lashes won't stick, and the inner corners of my eyes keeps coming off from water. So I have tried my very best, and I hope I've somewhat done the palette some justice, but oh, it's been an absolute nightmare. I just really wanted to get it up for you as soon as possible. But yeah, so I'll give you a quick close-up of the eyes anyway. So this is how the eyes are looking close up. I would definitely pay more attention to this one because it doesn't seem to water as much as this one does. But yeah, I think they are blended really nice. They're really pigmented. Yeah, I just think it's an absolutely gorgeous palette. I can't wait to see what the other colours are like as well. I really want to try a bright eye look as well with it. But yeah, I think this shimmer on the inner half is absolutely gorgeous when my eyes aren't watering. But yeah, I think it's really, really nice. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.